In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the console in Replit. Think of the console as your project's direct line of communication. It's where your app prints messages, asks for input, and where you can enter commands or responses without leaving your workspace. Whether you're testing a snippet, interacting with a running program, or quickly checking output, the console keeps everything in one place. To open it, look at the row of tabs running along the top of your workspace. You'll see a small plus icon among those tabs. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This is how you add new panels or tools to your current layout without switching screens or hunting through menus. After clicking the plus icon, a quick search field will appear. Type the word console, then select the console option that shows up. This adds a dedicated console tab to your workspace. If you notice other options like shell, remember that the console is designed to show your program's standard output and accept input for it, while the shell is more like a system command line. For interacting directly with your app, console is the one you want. Once the console tab is added, click it to open the console. You're now in the space where you can directly input and send commands or respond to prompts from your program. If your app asks for input, simply type your answer and press enter. If you're testing a quick command that your program recognizes, enter it here and watch the output appear in real time. This makes debugging and experimenting much faster, since you can see exactly what your code prints and immediately provide the next piece of input. A few helpful tips as you work here. Keep an eye on the prompt so you know when your program is waiting for input. If you type something and nothing happens, your app may still be running or expecting a different response format. You can also use the arrow keys to revisit what you just typed, which is handy when repeating similar inputs. And if the console view gets cluttered, you can clear or reset it from your editor's options so you always have a fresh view of what's happening. And there you go. You clicked the plus icon, searched for and added the console tab, and then opened it to interact directly with your app. That's all you need to start using the console effectively in Replit. Happy building, and enjoy the smoother, faster feedback loop that the console provides.